Welcome back, everyone. I'm Shortcut Shari, and it's another Tip Tuesday. We're continuing our series on how to use Copilot to be more productive. And I'm inspired by one of my favorite conferences coming up. We're doing TechCon365 in Chicago in June. And in our scenario, we have a group of 6 people with different roles that are attending the conference. I have those people on another tab with their roles and the focus that they are going to be attending the conference about, and the list of sessions that we extracted from the web page yesterday. I wanted to cross-match that because one of our action items from our meeting was to provide the top 3 sessions that each person should attend. We could go through 150 sessions and try and figure that out, or we can ask Copilot. So my prompt is, using the conference session list, recommend the top 3 each attendee should attend based on their role. Avoid scheduling conflicts, explain why each session is a good fit, and include a team coverage summary. Here is my biggest tip that I took away from a recent conference that I was at. Do you have any questions for me before we start? Let's see what Copilot comes up with. Copilot did come up with some questions. It's asking me about scheduling priorities and also what day preferences that people have. Maybe we're not attending the workshops and we really just want to focus on the Wednesday through Friday sessions. So let's answer the question. Now, Copilot is prompting me for a lot more information. I don't want to answer question by question at this point. I just want to kind of skip ahead. So I'm going to tell it to skip ahead and create a new sheet with all of the recommendations in one table. I've told Copilot to use its best judgment on the recommendations and create a new sheet with the schedule, please. I don't know about you, but I try and use my please and thank yous. And by the magic of Copilot, I now have a table of each of the sessions that my attendees should attend and recommendations as to why. We have the session title, the presenter, the date, the time, the level, and scrolling over, why this session? Why would this one be important? I have a little bit of formatting to fix on this, but how cool is that? Little or no work, a couple of prompts, and a little bit of patience. That's my tip for this week. I'll be back next week with another great tip. In the meantime, check out these great events that we have coming up. And until next time, I'm Shortcut Shari, and it's my job to make your job easier.